Hey guys, today I have a special project for you. This is a 2000 Dodge Ram 1500. We're gonna bring this sucker back to life. If you notice, the size of my garage is not so big, and for most of you that want to work on your truck or you want to bring it back to life with a little bit of body work and paint, you can always do it in sections. First do the bed and then do the cab. Let's go ahead and get started. A couple of things with this truck is that you have these big dents and rust. A couple of things that we need to remove, like these signs here. Okay, you have major dents, damage everywhere. The body lines. Oh, look at that. Tailgate. Boom. Couple of damn things, dents everywhere. And of course a clear. See that? So this needs a little bit of TLC, right? The bed looks really bad. Now, here's another problem that I've noticed. Is that the bed here, you see that? See how it's kind of pointing inward? It's like someone was loading some stuff, maybe something like a refrigerator, and when they were moving and they stopped abruptly, it hit this part and it dented in. Here's what's happening right now. As you can see, that was already fixed. Dent over here has been fixed. That's just dirt. Okay, I've added some, this has also been fixed. There used to be a big dent right here on the tailgate. There's a dent that I found. This is a new one. I kind of fixed that as well. I have to sand that off. Fix that dent right here too. And of course this dent right here. Recreating this wheel well design here. So far so good. It's coming along really nicely. Added some more, that way I can have it, this is what the original looks like. So I want to be able to copy this interesting design right here, right? So hopefully it looks kind of like that. Okay, also this part right here. This, I noticed there's another dent right there. There's another one right there, but I'm doing it in sections, big sections. Doing the bed first, and I'm gonna do the cab part. This is what is happening so far. I removed all that peeling clear that was on the paint. It's coming along. I've taken a lot of stuff down. All right, so that's the kind of stuff you have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot one nice thin layer of primer on here. That way we can have it in one tone, one color, instead of having all patchy like that. So when I start spraying, the base is gonna have a really nice pigment on it. It's not gonna have patchiness. That's what's happening. I'm not gonna do the bed, not yet. This is gonna be pretty much like the last final stages, because this is all just removing that old paint and putting some of that black stuff that they have, that protective coating, urethane plastic coating. All right, guys, I will tune you back sooner or later, hopefully sooner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and watch out for part 2 of DIY Customs Truck Edition.